case ki batmai ki bangi yo hadu menta ki long life fulai nagini ki life fulai hapo East Castles ki don arpunyo Pra ki deki armed forces lai ki BSF but khan real ki deki way West Garo Hills iway na po BSF Ribhoy lai ar ki deki armed forces iway ni kiway East Janta Hills iway but West Khasi Hills iway Baro gelum lang ki total active case kilong Sanspa khandai hapo East Khasi Hills ni dan South Spa khandai phunreu Nakini South Spa khandai phunreu BSF kilong Aspa khatphra kiway kilong Aspa arpsaw but ki armed forces san phusaw hapo West Khasi Hills ni dan san Ribhoy South phunreu West Janta Hills khatsaw East Janta Hills khatnreu West Garo Hills khatnreu Southwest Garo Hills South Garo Hills are kibala recover menta kasi ki long life khandai nagini ki life khandai life fra ki day na BSF but UA na kiway kibala recover hadu menta barok kelum lang kilong Aspa sanpuar ki test result ki bangidang up kilong Kumba Sanspa life way Beri berung sport ke state ke sport ke jela ke jumi hadu mentak si ar baje kilong ar saw haja life spa saw if you end up positive see how this the progress of the virus the progress of the illness nearly 95% of our cases now are asymptomatic so now it is time that we accept that this virus is going to come and when it comes we have to take care of ourselves accordingly as per the protocols laid down once we follow these protocols once we live together with this virus then all these things will just die down and this disease will be like any other viral infection and that I'm very definite also any other viral infection if you get it if your immunity is down it'll be severe and that is what we have seen for all other viral infections also so it is time now that we see from the experience that this virus is going to come coronavirus is going to come COVID-19 it has already come in fact it's going to come to each and every house the only protection is the protocols which you have laid down and that you always believe that you are asymptomatic your friend next to you also is asymptomatic and you take care of that and once we learn to live with this virus then everything becomes to normal like any other viral infection the only thing is that it spreads very fast that is the only thing as of now what we have seen and you have seen it for yourself also that so many cases ni don kan ni teliki case kan nungut ibad system jot ndan kini bar khoy ni quarantine ni bo iki hapo isolation ward he bar khoy ndan kam dawai ni si ai ki tangki vitamins mo lar ki dan jingship malu malang ni si ai ki katu jingship kala num dei nu tu covid syakriat mo kiyo de kiwe ki jingpang kadang ni habat im ni virus menta it is clear now kalau long shine menta ni haban im ni virus ngim dei shu bandon katu ke jing tieng ban long positif larang ilang positif ru ni suya dai ladi bat ngi dei ban nang ban sumar hayeng kata kali ke bokong santa kai gi bangi ngan ban yang seisin kani ke jing sumar po hospital ya ki kes ki bamle le ki bamdan symptom ke bangi sumar po corona care center ke mental distress bat ke mental depression ke wan nang tu ke hamjur su bun sha man uni virus pat ke simpor virus di tak khasau sin teladang ngila la ban accept uni virus ngila la ban accept yang ke jingpang ke normal sigan shuan hi